Honestly, the drinks were very easy to make, but the most fun part was drinking the mocktails that my parents made and that they were enjoying a lot of time together.
And using the shaker.
When those saints I come marching in, when those saints come marching in.
They cover quite a bit of childhood favourites as well as modern day favourites. We feel valued as a customer to be invited to occasional events. At the same time, it's a good effort to reach out to different groups.
I think it's very good for families especially. It's good to unwind and relax.
But I find very, very useful, and in future I would definitely like to see more events like this because I think we're all very busy with our lives, doing our daily job, and this provides a different aspect of life, and we always learn new things. So I thoroughly enjoy myself, and I definitely would like to attend more of these events.
Infighting in Singapore is very terrible, like Captain America versus Iron Man, Batman versus Superman. The only thing good that came out of that movie was Wonder Woman. Because you know why? Behind every quarreling man is a woman.
So she kept telling me, you don't give me enough time, you don't give me enough time. So I bought her a watch. I said, nah, take all the time you want.
So there's something about us at our age that have learnt enough to be still, to be comfortable, to be quiet.
I really enjoyed this. Look for a new car, come to Volkswagen Singapore, Alexandra. Wonderful space.
This is the second time participating in our Volkswagen event, and I think it's a very good occasion for family bonding to actually celebrate Father's Day. I think our family really enjoy it, especially this kind of hands-on session with the kids.
Volkswagen.